I'm reminding you and myself also that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. If you are new here, hi, my name is Ericka. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve this look using the Expression Twisted Up Pre-Separated Pre-Fluffed Waterwave Fro Twist, and it is in the 22-inch. The color that I did go ahead using was the 2T1B27. I did not cut this hair before installing it. I will, however, show you guys a bit of how I cut it afterwards and how I styled it, what I used and what I recommend you using. And God willing, in a week's time or two, if God allows it, I will come back on here and show you guys an updated video as to how long the hair lasted and what I did to maintain these curls, because honey, I did go ahead and I braided the hair midway back, and then I cut it into two, and then I just did one big braid going back, and I did that for about, I think I have like 12 braids at the front. This hair understood the assignment, and I don't mind it. It looks real good. I hope you like this video. If you like it, comment, share, subscribe if that's your thing, if you want to join and be a part of the YouTube family. And then I will, like I said, God willing, I will come back on here maybe a week or 2 weeks, depending on how long I keep this hair, and update you guys, advising you if you should get it or should not, right? But overall, I like it. As you can see, it's still, it's a little bit damp, like feeling it, it's a bit damp. But look at those curls, I just finished one pack and now I am on the second pack. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm still on the second pack. Now I'm going to start the second bundle because it's 2 times the hair, right? So I used 1 pack already, plus, so that would be 2 bundles plus 1, so 3 bundles. And now I'm going on the fourth bundle. So I think this will finish off my hair, and this is what I have left. But look how full this is. What am I going to do? So far, I'd like to state that this hair separates very, very easily. I like this much better than the Springy Afro Twist because that one is really like kinky. This is more of like a type 3, maybe 3B, 3A hair, I think. I don't know, but this is, I don't think this is texture is a 4, or maybe it's a 4A, I don't know, but it doesn't feel that coarse, and it is very easy to separate. I am in like with the color. I know I didn't show the braiding pattern, but here's an idea as to what it looks like. It's all the way, it's going back, but I kind of braided the hair midway, and then I combined it, the 2 of them together, and I just formed one going back, and then that's how I did it throughout my hair. And of course I have a bit of my edges out because I kind of want to save those, like, yeah, so that when the wind blows it, yeah. I will come back when I have finished installing the rest of it, and then I'll show you guys how I kind of trim it and tame it and figure that all out. This is what it looks like after I trimmed the ends. I didn't trim this part because I wanted to give you guys an idea as to what the hair looks like when it's in its original state. I might have gone too short there. It's better when I'm like literally doing this in front of a mirror. I had to change the setup there. I didn't like the lighting. So I'm just going to, this is gonna be challenging. How am I gonna do this? Ooh, I don't know, I like it. It's so big, but Just start from the back. And I'm gonna get my gel. And for this one, I don't think I have to comb it out. If you guys have seen my other video in regards to the Twisted Up, the Afro Twisted Up Passion, is it Passion Twist? Yeah, but the other video there, I'm gonna link it above so you guys can know what I'm referring to. I had to brush the hair to kind of allow for you to see the curls. But with this one, because the hair is like, it's softer, I don't have to do that. All I do is just I run my fingers through it. And that's it. One thing y'all gotta be mindful of is that this gel, it's like kind of burns your eyes after a while, like the fumes from it. So that's one thing I don't really like about this gel. I don't know if all the gels have that effect. Yeah, but this one. So this is what one side looks like versus the other side. You can see the curls are more revived over on this end. Yes, I'm just going in and kind of adding some layers to it. So this is the final look for the hair. Cut it and I gelled it, as you might notice, and now it's not as full. It's I would say maybe it's about 70% dry. This one is so much better than the Twisted Up, like the other version that I tried, because this one, as you may have noticed, I didn't have to use a brush for it, so I like it so much better. The color is growing on me. I enjoy those colors so much. So I'm going to give you guys a bit of details in regards to this hair. I'm so excited. I like how it turned out. You can achieve crochet braids that look decent right? It's just a matter of playing around with it. What I've learned over the few years of doing crochet braids is that you just got to play around with the hair a bit, you know, and kind of like how you would treat your hair in a sense. I'm not saying to put expensive products on it or anything, but you know, take the time out to kind of work with it and see what works and what doesn't work. Like play around with it. Like almost every crochet hair I've tried, except for like the straight hair or for the Freetress Niagara, almost every hair, once it's curly or it's like kinky, I always try gel and mousse. Those things I enjoy using them, as long as it's not something that's going to leave residue in the hair. So what I tend to go for is product that will soften the hair. I'd usually kind of do like a little test run. So say if I try the gel and I want to try a product that will maybe moisturize the hair, I do it in little sections and I take it in like, okay, let me see. Once it starts leaving that little white residue, then I know that it's something that I should just leave, because I know if I put the do my full hair, like the full head of hair with the crochet braids, it's going to cause a hot mess, right? So I just kind of stay away from that. One of the things that I did end up doing after I put the gel in the hair, before it dried, I made sure that I used some mousse. I'll show you guys the kind of mousse that I used. This is the mousse that I did use, and I like this mousse. I'm not going to recommend you using this mousse. I'm just simply letting you know what worked for the hair. So this is absolutely the first day of me wearing the hair. What I might end up doing, by God's grace, is I might do a updated video of this hair to kind of see what it looks like maybe a week after wearing it or the next day or what have you, dependent. So I might do a little bit of update throughout the week, or I don't know, but you know, guys know, if you watch any of my crochet hair videos, you will notice that I do provide updates. I would have liked if the roots of the hair were maybe a little bit darker to kind of blend in with mine. It's okay, it's crochet braids, I don't mind. I like the color because I don't want to color my hair, so this is a perfect color, and we're in fall, so praise God, this will work for me. Now, I do have a few tips as to what I've noticed about this hair, so a bit of pros. One of the pros that I do notice about this hair is that it separates easily, better than the other version that I used. This one separates easier. Like I said, I don't know, this hair, it might be a 4A, 4B, I'm not certain, but it's way more manageable and it's so much softer. And the curls, just look at this curl, like look how beautiful this is, right? It's so lovely. I like this. This is yes. This is a yes for me. Guys, comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're enjoying this video, and let me know if you'll try this hair out, okay? If you didn't see it before, this is the hair that I did go ahead and use. And the color that I did end up using is the 2T1B27. Not silky, and because it's not silky, it allows for less knots in the hair. The color is lovely, like I stated. It's lightweight, and I have in 2 packs. And I actually went ahead, like I bought 3 packs, and I went ahead and I used a few strands of the other, well, let's say 2.5 packs, but you could get away with only using 2 packs. The hair cost about $15 plus tax at my local beauty supply store. I did purchase this hair in the store, so I don't know if there's a link for it online, but I'm just letting you know that this is my results of using the Expression. This is what the back of the hair looks like. So comment, like, share, subscribe if you like videos like these, and God willing, you'll stop by for my next video. Until then, bye guys.